Welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Iseehair. It's been a long time since Iseehair has been on my channel. As you can see, it's a very beautiful wig. It comes on the M cap. Your wig is gonna fit super flush to your head. This wig also has a drawstring feature. You just pull it and close it, and then you just stick it in the back. You can wear it gluelessly because it fits so nicely. This 9x6 lace, it's giving frontal, like, but that makes all the difference. Say it with my chest, no, I'm passionate. Waving goodbye while I'm laughing. Behaving like a baby, yeah, you asked for it. You're gonna have to do a little more. Gotta do a little more. See this one before, now I'm gonna get more. Gonna have to do a little more. Gonna have to do it. Gotta do a little bit more. You're gonna have to do a little more. See this one for sure. I don't like the way it goes on. Gonna have to do it. Gotta do a little bit more. I said if you don't wanna do it, just don't. I'll make it an easy choice. If I've had it with you, I'll go find someone else who's gonna understand. Someone who doesn't play pretend and show up if I need them. It doesn't have to be so difficult. Yeah, it's just common sense. Look at this beautiful Burmese wig. When I think of a Burmese wig, this is exactly what I mean. Isn't she beautiful? Look at the ends. Now, if you want the curl pattern to stay the same, don't comb through it, but we're gonna fluff her out because I just gotta see it. This wig, this has a 9x6 parting space, so it has that much more parting space. It literally has the most parting space on a closure wig that they offer. A 9x6 is big body, okay? Now, I'm gonna try it on without any lace tint, but I feel like I'm gonna tint it. So let's just see what it looks like, because I wanna know if I don't wear any lace tint, what does the lace look like, right? I know you wanna know too. Okay, fresh out of the box, this is what it's giving. That's why Iseehair will forever be that girl. So I'm gonna tint it just the slightest amount. I'm gonna go in with my foundation that I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing Miss Fenty Girl, Miss Fenty Beauty, so going over the lace. This is some good HD lace, so it really doesn't need too much. I put a bit on this little paper here, and then I'm just going over the lace. Not too much, just enough. I'm gonna separate the bottom in a bit. I just want to, you know, see what my shape is looking like first, you know? And some girls love that really messy look. I don't like that really messy look. So I am doing organized chaos. Like not too much, but not too little. And I'm gonna separate the curls. I still want to keep that like Burmese look. Okay, and that is the side undefined, and this is the side, you know, fluffed out. Okay, and don't forget about the drawstring. Pull that down as tight as I feel comfortable, because at the end of the day, you don't want it to give you a migraine. And then just tuck that string inside. And it instantly makes the overall fit of the wig that much more comfortable. So now it's a lot more secure, even in the front of the wig. So we're gonna go ahead and, you know, separate this part too. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. I had a pretty chaotic Christmas. My dog got really sick and had to have emergency surgery, and there's just been a lot going on. We did add additional pet to the household, so there's just a lot. Like, there's a lot. You guys will meet the new member soon. I want to surprise you guys, so when you see him, you'll see him. But until then, if you're not following me on my other social medias, then you won't know. But if you are following me like on TikTok, you probably would have already met him. And his name is Bear. He's so cute. This is gorgeous, like beginner friendly, super effortlessly, like just put it on and go. Now I will melt it down and show you guys the difference, but this is it gluelessly. Okay, we're not mad at it. Beautiful, like Burmese curly. Yes, girls, this is beautiful. This is what she looks like. Shake test. Yeah. After a more defined curl pattern, so I don't want it to be frizzy. So what I did was, again, I combed it out in the inside So I got the volume, right? And on the top, and then I manually separated the curls so we can still keep that Burmese pattern of the coils. When you wash this wig, the coils are gonna drop, but if you want it to coil up again, a little easy trick that I like to do is just take my little makeup brush and have the hair conditioned with like conditioner, and then wrap it around my little makeup brush, and then I curl it, and then I just pull it off, okay? And it'll coil up and look super cute. So that's how you re-curl it, okay? What do you guys think of this install? Super easy, beginner friendly. Now I'm gonna show you guys the difference of it melted down, just so you can see the difference, like how it looks gluelessly. You can see glueless, right? Versus how it looks melted down. If you guys wanna purchase this wig, of course, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. So don't forget to check that out before you go. You can part it here. You can part it over here. Do you see that? Endless possibilities, because, baby, it's a 9x6, okay? Don't play with them.
Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me?
I changed my mind. I thought I was gonna put it up in like a little thingy, a half up, but girl, it looks good like this. We added some baby hairs. Does this not look like a frontal? It's unclockable. Oh my goodness. It's just a vibe. It's just a moment. I'm here for the big hair, okay? But we wanted to keep that shape and that form, so I left it a bit like still defined at the ends. Definitely recommend you guys checking them out. If you guys want to purchase, you know where to find the link. Bye.